Hey guys, welcome back to another video of C&D, and today we're back with more Pokemon cards. It is a Charizard themed deck. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. I guess it's just one big deck, all like around Charizard. So yeah, that's pretty fun. Yeah, that's basically it. So let's open. Maybe you should just rip the front.
This way?
This.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, that's the coin. Nice
Who's gonna get
Charizard coin. Here's the hollow Charizard that comes with it. Pretty cool. He even has a trainer in the card. Pretty interesting. Energy, fire energy, a bunch of fire energies. Lugia. Okay, that's exciting. That's a good card. Charmeleon, Slugma.
Who's that?
Magcargo.
So it's the evolution of this card.
Yep. Energy, Great Ball, Charmander, Yanma, Energy, Beatty Trainer, Energy, Leon, Ordinary Rod, okay, Switch, Sonia, awesome, Dan, Energy, Mega, Energy, Hop, Magcargo, Slugma, again, Energy, Yanma, Hop, Charmander, Energy. There's so many energies. Professor's Research.
That's probably because this is a deck.
Yeah, Sudowoodo, Charmeleon. Oh, that's a different Charmeleon.
And this is like a fire deck.
Switch, Great Ball, another Energy, another Sonia. I think from now on it's just going to be the same cards but doubles. So Mega, Energy, Professor's Research, Ordinary Rod again, Energy, Leon, Hop. Okay, there's a ton of hops too. Slugma, Evolution Light Incense, Dan, Charmander, Energy, Beatty, another Charmeleon. Where's the Charizards at? Energy, Sudowoodo, Yanma. There, Yanma. Energy, and there's the Charizard. Nice. So that was a good deck. That is probably one of the best decks I've seen, especially since there's two Charizards and a bunch of energy. Whoa. Lots
So
of
who
energy.
gets the front Charizard?
I don't know yet. So here. Oh wow, look at it. So first of all we have the board.
I don't think
Wait,
this
is
one's
that the board?
This
Is it the board? Nope,
No, this one is. Ooh, it's a huge Charizard. Here's the board.
Oh, it's a one-player board. Cool. So yeah, and then there is the damage counters, a bunch of 10s, 50s, and 2 100s. So that was a pretty fun video. If you're wondering where we got these at, we got them at I think it's called MLB. It's a card shop. It's awesome. I recommend going there. So yeah.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.